Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be getting my work planner set up for 2022. So yes, I'm a little bit behind. I shared that in the flip through video I did of this planner, which I will link probably below or possibly above as well. But I am a little bit behind, so probably just going to get this set up to start in February and go through June. So what I have for that is I do have the extension pack. This was a 6-month extension pack, but I did use 1 month to add in December. So this was back in December of 2020. I took a month to add in so that I could start this planner right away instead of waiting until January of 21. So the other thing we're going to do, we're going to of course get the extension pack in here, and then I am going to change out the discs and flip the cover around since the cover says 2021 still. And then I do just like to mix it up sometimes too. So we're going to flip this around so that this is the front, and I'm going to take the discs off of this Happy Notes and put the white on here. So I went back and forth and trying to figure out what I was going to do. I was possibly going to grab some black classic size discs and put them on here and add in the extra 5 months and leave it all together as one, but I did decide that that would probably get too thick for my work bag. This fits nicely in there with everything else I have in there. When it's more, you know, this is still kind of thick, but when it's skinnier it fits better. So I did change my mind on that, and I'm going to try the white discs that they are the same size. We obviously won't need all of them, but the same size as the mini discs. So that's what we're gonna do. This gorgeous Happy Notes I have not used yet. I got this in, I think this was part of the Disney Bee Happy Box. They actually won that as a giveaway from Oh Really Alana, and so I haven't used it yet. This is actually going to become my home planner. If you watched my lineup video, you know I'm gonna have a home planner, and I'm really mixing things up, like I'm rearranging things. So this is gonna be that home planner. And I'm going to throw on these awesome champagne colored Mickey discs on here. Since I'm taking the white off, I'll put these on here. And then what was my home planner, I already took the discs from it, so it's just sitting here loose right now. But I'm actually going to take this cover and put it on my social media planner. So I'm going to switch that out, and I'm going to take the discs off of this wellness planner and put them with this. How fun is that? I just thought that these color discs go really well with this. So I'm going to try that out for social media planner. So lots of rearranging that I still am doing. I'm still getting my 2022 lineup all set up. I'm a little bit behind, I know. But without further ado, let's get this one set up. So first we're going to get these white discs off of here. Okay, now that we have our white discs off, on this one I'm just going to pull the covers off, leave everything else on these discs for now, and then we'll see how. I may take a couple months of this planner and put it in the new one if I feel like it's too skinny without something else, but we'll see. And then we'll just store most of this away. And then when it comes time, when I'm done with this planner and I'm just storing it away entirely, that's when I'll probably put all of it together on classic discs so I can store it together in one and not in separate, you know, not in 2 separate planners. Okay, so let's get, this is the way we need to go. Okay, so let's get the bottom on. I have a question for you guys, especially you, those of you that have been maybe planning for years now. Do you save all of your old planners, like once you're completely done, or do you get rid of them? So far, I've saved all mine. I haven't been planning for that long. I started in 2020, so I don't have a ton. But as my collection builds, we'll have to see what I decide to do, because that will end up being a lot of planners to save, but I don't know. It's probably hard to get rid of them too. Okay, so let's get our extension pack out and see what we're working with here. And back here are my stickers. Oh, maybe, there we go. Stickers. Okay, and then this was part, this just must have been part of the planner. I skipped out on the perpetual calendar in this planner. I just didn't think I needed it for work. I am going to, here soon, I plan to film a video sharing with you how I'm using all of my perpetual calendars for 2022, so stay tuned for that. But I won't be using one in this planner since I didn't start with one. Okay, what I want to do here is I want to switch out the tabs a little bit so that our first tab starts at the top. Let's see. So here's 1 month, and then I want, trying to do this in a way that I don't get them mixed up. We'll double check. But okay, so there's the second month, and then I want this one. I do want this, so this is like an ending note page, so I do want that to be at the back. And then we will have to check anyway how many weeks are in each month. Okay, let's see if we go like that, if they will be. Yeah, and this is the one I used for December. I don't know why I pulled one right out of the middle. I think I was looking at like the pictures of the dividers and decided which one I wanted to use. So I'll just have to kind of ignore that, but we'll have February, March, April, May, and June right there. So let me grab actually right here, I think at the front of this, yes, we have a 2022 calendar here. So we just need to see how many weeks. So February, we're gonna go with 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. We'll put that one in March. So we need 4 weeks. So let's just make sure we have our monthly. And then we have week 1, 2, 3, 4. So we won't need this one. And then we'll have to tape those two together. So dashboard. And then March will have, so you can see what I'm doing here, March will have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I think, yeah, we'll put this one in April. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and then this is the one we don't need, and we'll need to tape this together. And actually what I want to do, because I will probably start to forget all this, so I want to just scribble myself a note. When I'm scribbling, I realize it's not the easiest to read, but I'll know what I meant. So let me check this. Sorry, I'm being a little bit redundant. I just want to make sure. So we have 4 weeks in February. 1, 2, 3, the 4th week, and then this is what we need to tape together. Together. Okay, and then on March, 1, 2, 3, 4, tape together. Then we have our currently. Okay, and then we're in April. So April, I think, looking at where April is, we're gonna have 5, it looks like. So we're gonna start this week here, that goes into April. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, and then, oh, and then we don't have a dashboard. It might be a problem. We might utilize this if we have to, but let's see. I might just steal from the back here. Oh, yes, actually that's perfect. There's a dashboard in the back. Okay, so getting rid of that, this should be week 5, and then dashboard. Okay, then February, March, April, so May, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna start that last one will be June, so 4 weeks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then rid of that and tape this one together. Tape together. Okay, and then June. We're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm just gonna put the 5th week in, I think, because then this planner won't go into July. So 5 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is where I actually want to take this one, so we end with a note page. Okay, woo, I think that'll work. It's always a little bit interesting when you're adding extension packs, because I mean, obviously I love that they give you all the extra sheets so you can use them for whatever month you want, but you just want to be mindful of that. I was not mindful of it when I first put that extra month in here, and I think I was all over the place. So just know if you're using an extension pack, think through those things, look over those things before you completely get everything put together. Okay, let's go ahead and get these in here. Okay, there we go. Everything's in here. It is very thin. Actually kind of like it. We'll see. It will thicken up as I add stickers and possibly extra note pages. We'll see how I like it, though. I may pull like the last couple months of 2021 out and throw them in here just to give it a little more thickness. But the next thing that we need to do is we need to get our stickers on here. So we need to add in some stickers on the monthly pages, and then like the stickers on the weekly pages. So I'm gonna start to do that, and we'll speed this up again so that it doesn't take too long on your end. Alright, you guys, that's where I'm actually going to stop for the video, because you get the gist of this. I'm going to obviously continue labeling every week with the days. In theory, there should be enough numbers on here since it was a 6-month extension pack. Hopefully there's enough numbers. If I have to, I can, looks like use these. These ones might actually be better to throw on the calendar, like to date my calendars. So I probably will do that with these and then finish out the weeks with those, but I won't continue to do that on the video. So I think this is where I will wrap it up. What do you guys think? Do you like the new cover? I kind of like it. It's fun to mix it up. I do think the white discs look good with it, since we got the white cover. And then we of course have the 5 months added, so I can finish this out through June of this year. Alright, well you guys, thank you so much for setting this planner up with me. Like I said, I'll finish up with the numbers and then I'll be all ready to go in just a few short weeks. And by the time I post this video, who knows, we might already be getting into February. So thanks again, you guys, for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!